Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue inside of DaVinci where you get the error message Unsupported GPU Processing Mode. Now you'll likely get some text as well below that saying please review the GPU drivers and GPU configuration under preferences. So in order to fix this issue, what we need to do is first come over to our start menu and just search for Device Manager. Then click on Device Manager here, and from this list we need to come down to Display Adapters and expand this, and you need to locate your GPU inside of here. So my graphics card that I'm currently using is this NVIDIA one, so I'm just going to right click on this and come over to Properties, and then you'll need to come over to Driver. Now the first thing I'd recommend is to roll back the driver here if this option is available, because it could just be the case that you've installed a new driver onto your computer and it could be causing some compatibility issues with the application. So if you do have this option to roll back the driver, I'd recommend trying this first, and then once you've rolled back the driver you can check to see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, what I'd do instead is come over to Update Driver, and then you want to select Browse My Computer for drivers. Select at the bottom here where it says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my PC, and then just select your graphics card from the list. So again, mine's this NVIDIA one, and hit next. And then as you can see, it's now going to install the latest drivers to our device. So once you've installed the latest driver, we can then head back over to DaVinci to check to see if that's fixed the issue. Now if that's still not working, the last thing you can do here is just right click on your graphics card and then select Uninstall Device. Now to reinstall it, all we need to do is come over to Action at the top and then press Scan for hardware changes, and then that will reinstall the graphics driver to your device. If that doesn't work and for some reason you can't reinstall the driver from here, then you'll simply need to restart your computer and it will automatically reinstall for you. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and that's still not working, there is one last thing that we can do, and that's to head over to our graphic card's official manufacturer's website. So for me, because I'm using a NVIDIA graphics card, I'd simply need to head over to an internet browser and then just come over to a search engine like Google and type in NVIDIA latest drivers graphic card or something similar to this, and then just head over to the official NVIDIA driver downloads page. If you have an Intel graphics card or an AMD graphics card, you can do the exact same thing. You just obviously need to change the search to something like AMD latest graphic drivers, and then we can fill in our graphic card details here and install the latest drivers directly from this website. Now the reason for this is because sometimes when we use this built-in Windows tool, it's not entirely accurate and it may say you're running the latest driver, whereas in fact you are running an outdated driver. And also if you have a NVIDIA graphics card like myself, we can actually just come over to the start menu and search for GeForce, and you can just install the latest drivers directly from this application, but again it depends on what graphics card you're using. And that's it guys. By following all of these steps, that should have now fixed any GPU issues you're having inside of DaVinci. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.